Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fill the information in Duolingo. So let's get started. Whenever you add a new course, you will be redirected to an information section. So let's say this is the section and it's asking how much German do you know? So it's going to ask basic questions to customize the course for you. So let's say I'm new to German. So I'm going to click on I'm new to German and click on continue. And next, they're going to ask you, where would you like to start? So the first option is start from scratch. You can take the easiest lesson of the German course, or if you know German a bit or any other language a bit, you can choose this Find My Level and Duo will recommend where you should start learning. So I'm going to go with start from scratch and click on continue. And then they're going to redirect you to the lesson 1 of unit 1. Click on continue. And now you can see that your customized course has begun with that information you just filed in. So that was how you can fill in information in Duolingo. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.